So this architecture is designed by SCDA. So there are a lot of historical events surrounding this Singapore River, as we all know. So you can take clues from the bridge, which is called the Jiak Bridge. Then Jiak Street. Okay, so this the actual name is actually Tan Jiak. Now we're at Riviere. It's actually a French word. It means river. That's why the silent R. Okay, so it's a development by Fraser Properties. They have built themselves a very good reputation in the commercial, retail, residential, and hospitality sector. So very suitable for Riviere because they are going to develop this into like a combination of retail, residential, and hospitality. Yeah. So the name Riviere certainly suits this project because it sits on the sexiest part of the river. So if you see, it's straight, it flows straight all the way until it starts to meander. And then it looks like it's embracing this 36-story architecture, which you can see on this model. See that river, the curvy part? The actual name is actually Tan Jiak. So he was a Chinese, prominent Chinese leader, very successful businessman, and he's also a philanthropist. So he and his forefathers conducted their businesses in trading houses and these warehouses. What's going to happen next to these warehouses is going to transform again into the most trendy and stylish destination with chic riverside bistros. Then you have your grocers where you can get your fresh ingredients. And then you can also get it from your sky terrace because they have this beautiful herb garden. Okay, so with your high-end, cooking appliances where you can do sous vide cooking, which I'll show you later. You can just pluck some basil from here for your beef. Is that how you cook it? So, and then the hot spa in the sky spa. Okay, you have like reading corner, your teppanyaki lounge, a pavilion. You have your trampoline, and dining pavilion. So this is your lifestyle you're going to get at Riviere if you're going to stay here. And then if you're familiar with this neighborhood, okay, everyone knows where the Singapore River runs through, right? It cuts through the Great World City. This is where the project sits on. Okay, it's famous. You have a lot of supermarket and banks and haircut, everything there, amenities in Great World City. And then you go down further, you have all the most happening nightlife. You have Robertson Quay, Boat Quay, Clark Quay, all the quays. And then do you know, they also have water taxi. Water taxi like Venice, you can take the water taxi down all the way past Raffles Place to Clifford Pier. Okay, so if you don't want to take the bus, you go by the river. Yeah, so if you talk about riverside living, of course during the daytime you don't expect a lot of this parties and get around, get-togethers. So this will be the nice river where you have your jogging path, jogging tracks. You can cycle, you can jog. This whole place along the river is very, very nice. You get all the good stuff. So now we're at the 2-bedroom Viva. Viva means long live in French. So they show you two different floor plans, the before ID and after ID. So what you're going to get for just the 2-bedroom is this whole place with marble flooring. And then remember we talked about Great Wall. So Great Wall neighborhood is what you're going to see here, and then this will be your neighborhood. And then other than that, you're going to get like high-end of everything, the kitchen, cabinetries, the appliances. So look at this, Pogonpo kitchen architecture. They were a carpentry business, and so 1892. That's how long they were around for. So you can see this compressed quartz countertop. And then, this German brand, you can see the perfect craftsmanship with technical precision. So for example, this magic corner where you pull it out, it's just I'll give you one tip how you can recognize this Pokemon. You can see these geometric prints all over the cabinets, the shelves. See this part? They even use their own logo branded hinge. See this? Very nice. Pokemon. So all the cabinetry you see here is all by this beautiful German architecture. And then sitting on top this kitchen top, you have this another German brand, but not any other German brand, is Gaggenau. If you think Pokemon has a long history, then this will be surprising. It has been around since 1683. That's more than 300 years old. That's even way before the first Mercedes-Benz car was invented. That was even like 200 years later than this brand, So if you talk about German precision engineering, so they actually started from smelting base metal. So you see this stainless steel control knob, but this is just the induction cooker. And then you have the Gaggenau Combi steam oven. So this is not just a normal oven. Combi steam oven, they have this sous vide cooking function. Remember I talked about the herbs from the sky terrace. You can do your sous vide cooking in this oven. Then everything is Gaggenau. They also have the integrated fridge and freezer. Then over here you have the whole series of the Pokemon carpentry as well. So you have a good idea of why you get this hotel dry pantry, because Fraser Properties, remember, they are really into this hospitality business for many years, over 4 decades. So this whole place gives you the very hotel feel. This is the second bedroom. It's bigger than most of the rooms that you see these days. It's 10 square meters. So then you also have a marble wall and floor for the bathroom as well. It's a tinted shower. Overhead rain shower. It's a must if you want to go for luxury living. And then over here we have this Jessie tap and Duravit undermount basin. It gives you a very clean countertop and sleek look and feel. Then they have a lot of mood lightings all around the bathroom, including there as well. So this entire master bedroom is 20 square meters. So you don't get this really narrow space between the bed and the wardrobe like a lot of projects you see these days. This whole bathroom is all marble. You have marble wall, and then you have these toiletries built-in storage section. And an overhead rain shower. Look at these mood lightings. And then you have this electric bidet, and with this wall-mounted water closet. And even the tap here is wall mounted. Okay, so this is actually a Jessie Reliable series, the collection, and then it's so easy to wipe the basin area, and then just this tap itself, it costs over $1,000. Come, let's go to the 3-bedroom now. This, we have the 3-bedroom Viva, also the long leaf. I just like name, they use all the French names. Okay, and then you have the floor plan as well. Okay, this is a 1249 square feet. They have a smaller layout. They also have a bigger one. So we'll talk about that later. So we have the study over here, but I'll show that to you later. Let's go to the main center part of the house. So you can feel like this is really wide for a living room. I mean, taking into consideration the size given, you wonder how this architect actually designed the spaces. Like it's really very, it gives you a very spacious feeling. Yeah. So this entire dining area you can see is quite a long table which can fit like 6-seater. And then again you have this dry pantry, the similar looking one with as the 2-bedroom. And then they have this tic-tac closing. Now we have this private corner for the kitchen. I see another pantry here, a mini pantry. Look at this stainless steel from Gaggenau. This is what I'm talking about, the gas cooktop from Gaggenau. You have this like continuous pot surface, there is cast iron pan support, and then you have these brass burner rings, and then this control hob. So this allows a fast ignition. Yes, this fast ignition safety, this safety monitoring, so that if the fire goes out, and then it has this re-ignition function. So this engineering, yeah, you can read more from their website, definitely. And then everything poke and poke. And we have the Frankie. They are using the Frankie basin, the sink, wash basin. It's a Switzerland brand. Again, they give you this undermount design, so it's really easy to clean the kitchen top. And then we have the yard bathroom, and then we have this yard for your washing, your laundry. And over here you can actually access to your study room. Okay, so this is the study room that we saw when we came in from the front door. So this is the wing where all the sleep chambers begin. So then again, you have this common bedroom, which is, I think it's of a very decent size. Normally, they would build the 3-bedroom to be really small. But this 3-bedroom is a good decent size, like most of normal bedrooms. lastly, we are in the master bedroom, and you can see this nice colored wardrobe with all your hangers, the pull-out hangers for your pants or ties. No, this is actually for a tie. Neckties, accessories. So they even use the Jersey brand for your clothes hanger, the hooks, the wall hooks. This is quite a spacious shower. Okay. So now let's move on to the biggest showroom. Okay, then we have the floor plan again. So this is a 2002 square feet. Expect the unexpected because this 4-bedroom is colossal. So when I walk in, I'm drawn to this 260-degree view from the balcony to the living and dining to the kitchen. And then you have this island top. So smooth and so cooling to the touch. And behind me you have what they call a tall boy cabinetry. All this program pole again, I don't need to mention that, is all over the project. It's like every unit gets program pole. And then you have this carpentry, the standard mini pantry that you get, but you get an extra wine chiller. I noticed they have this wine chiller, the Gaggenau. And then for a 4-bedroom, you get the steam oven as well as the conventional oven. So you can see the very nice logo, program pole everywhere. Oh, look at this geometric surfaces, prints. And then you just saw the dry kitchen. Now this is the wet kitchen. Of course, when you have a big unit, expect like more people staying in here, more guests that you're going to hold. And then over here they have the 5 domino hob for this this gas top cooker. And besides that, you get a freestanding fridge and freezer. diagonal. What do you expect? It's all diagonal. Then this is the basin area. You do all the dirty dishes. It's like hidden on the further end of the kitchen. And a yard. Plenty of storages from what I see. Diagonal washer dryer. I like that they are so consistent. And then for this layout, you get the private lift, which comes in here. And then straight away, you get this junior master ensuite with your own bathroom. And then something that I noticed about this junior master ensuite is that they have like bigger than usual wardrobes, 3-door panels. I guess if you are holding your guest for some stay over, or even your if you have a 3-gen living, you have to house your parents here where they can enjoy, you know, this luxurious wardrobe. There's so much space. Let's take a look at what you have here. Okay. I see more shelves here. You can place all your towels and scarves. This is the third bedroom. If you look up, there are even more storages here. Okay, so they are using the Bloom system. You can see the big Bloom logo up there. So they're good for what they do. Whoa. You know, most of the bedrooms you saw comes with a queen bed, but once you put in a single bed, it feels really even more spacious. Like you can put this long study desk here. Of course, this I think is ID treatment. Get a similar one. Ta-da! You have this master bedroom. There's so much space. Then you can have a lounge chair, your armchair. It's just so hard to find a spacious rooms these days with all the projects. course, something a little special. Remember hospitality, this is what you usually see in a hotel. You know, most people don't give this glass wall, but totally hotel feel. Staycation. I mean, if you post a photo here for staycation, people might just believe that you're just in some kind of 5-star hotel. Oh, look at this wardrobe. It's like so many doors, you see here. 6 doors just on this side. This for your pants. Can you see that? This is a bigger than ever rain shower by Jessie. You get some like really good storage here. You can put more of your toiletries. And then again, wall-mounted water closet. If you want luxury, I think you have to go for like wall-mounted bathroom. Accessories, fittings, and then this bathtub is the centerpiece of the bathroom. Riverie brand, if you know, this is actually the Stock series. It's designed by the star designer Philip Stock. So you have the Stock, and you have these like two sides. You have these the high slopes on this part, and then the central, the drain and overflow area is in the center. And it's Jessie tap. So they have iconic, they are well known for these straight lines for the tap, straight lines, and they use a lot of squares. So which is not like the conventional round shape which you get in most of the taps. So this straight lines, you see, the perfect high quality Italian workmanship is all reflected in just a simple tap. Sorry, not just a simple tap. I'm very intrigued by this Italian workmanship. Really like this living room. Let's get out of the 4-bedroom. Private lift. Ding! The layouts are not limited to what you see in the showroom. We have more layouts to show you. So if you like this video, remember to click like or subscribe. See you in the next show flat tour.